Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to enable dark mode on Twitter desktop. So I'm logged into my Twitter account. In this left side panel, click on More. And from these options, choose Settings and Privacy. On this page, click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Then choose Display. And in this background section is where you can enable the dark mode. Currently it's set to the default white background. There are two dark mode settings here. The first dark mode setting is the dim mode, and this is what it looks like. And the second dark mode is the lights out mode, and this is what it looks like. You can also change the font size by using the slider. And you can also change the color of some elements, for example, the buttons. So this is the default white background. This is the dim mode. And this is the lights out mode. Well, I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.